If you love commerce, then you're probably seen people on social media raking in good cash from reselling AirPods. And just like dropshipping, the reselling method is also one of the biggest opportunities you can take advantage of right now. But most people doing it online don't explain how they do it, leaving you to miss out on the big opportunity. With demand soaring and the market still relatively unsaturated, there's a fantastic opportunity to make some serious profits. Stick around as we explore how you can get started with reselling AirPod Maxes from sourcing to selling and make the most out of this booming market. Let's get into it. AirPods Max, Apple's premium over-ear headphones, have quickly garnered a loyal following among audiophiles and tech enthusiasts alike. Known for their exceptional sound quality, sleek design, and seamless integration with other Apple devices, these headphones are more than just a luxury accessory. They're a statement. As demand continues to rise, so does the opportunity to tap into the reselling market. If you've been watching social media, you've probably noticed people flaunting stacks of AirPods and AirPods Maxes alongside piles of cash, boasting about their reselling hustle. The reselling game is one of the hottest opportunities right now, but often these reselling enthusiasts don't lay out the details on how it actually gets started. The AirPods Max have carved out a niche within the competitive headphone industry, and yet the market of pre-owned or lightly used units remains surprisingly unsaturated. With careful market analysis and strategic positioning, reselling AirPods Max can become a profitable venture. As more users recognize the value of these high-end headphones, the potential to profit from this premium product is increasingly clear. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of promising market from sourcing to selling and how you can make the most of this burgeoning opportunity. Understanding the market is crucial for anyone considering reselling high-demand products like AirPods Max. An unsaturated market refers to a market where the demand for a product exceeds the available supply, leaving room for new sellers to enter and meet that demand. Identifying an unsaturated market involves analyzing factors like product availability, consumer interest, and competition levels. By strategically targeting these unsaturated markets, resellers can capitalize on the high demand and low supply, maximizing their profit margins and building a successful business in a relatively untapped segment. Reselling in an unsaturated market can be highly profitable due to the scarcity of the product, which often allows sellers to command higher prices. Many people shy away from reselling AirPods Maxes because of the higher price tag compared to regular AirPods, but if you're already familiar with reselling AirPods, you'll find that stepping up to AirPod Maxes can be incredibly profitable. When it comes to reselling AirPods Max, identifying the right audience is important for success. The demographics interested in AirPods Max tend to be tech-savvy individuals who prioritize premium audio quality and are willing to reinvest and invest in high-end products. These consumers often include young professionals, audiophiles, and Apple enthusiasts, typically aged between 25 and 45, with a higher disposable income. To effectively target this audience, leveraging social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok can be incredibly effective. These platforms allow for visually appealing content that highlights the luxury and performance of AirPods Max, engaging users with targeted ads and influencer partnerships. By focusing on this specific audience and using tailored marketing strategies, resellers can tap into a profitable market segment that values both exclusivity and the superior sound experience. Offering limited time deals or bundles can further entice this audience, creating a sense of urgency and driving sales in a competitive marketplace. Start by researching the current market trends to understand the ongoing rates for both new and used AirPods Max. Consider pricing competitively to attract buyers, but ensure that your price still reflects the premium nature of the product. Don't forget to account for additional costs like shipping, taxes, and platform fees, which can significantly affect your profit margin. It's wise to factor in these expenses when determining your price to avoid unexpected losses. Offering bundle deals or discounts for multiple purchases can also get you to set your listing apart. The potential for reselling AirPods Max is strong, especially if you're operating in a market where demand is high but supply is limited. By setting a fair yet profitable price, you can capitalize on this demand. Keep in mind that the price should also consider the condition of the product, whether it's brand new or lightly used. A well thought out pricing strategy not only increases your chances of a quick sale, but also ensures you get the best return on your investment. Focus on high quality photography that must be clear. Well lit images from multiple angles showcase the product's premium feel and attract potential buyers. Use detailed descriptions that highlight the AirPods Max's standout features like noise cancellation, transparency mode, and the sleek premium design. Be transparent about the nature of the product, emphasizing its functionality and quality while ensuring potential buyers understand it's a high quality replica. Pricing strategically is crucial. Consider pricing your listings between $200 to $300 to stay competitive while making a healthy profit. To enhance visibility, leverage platforms like Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and local buy-sell groups. Offering local pickup options can save on shipping costs and expedite transactions. Additionally, creating dedicated social media pages or posts can build your brand and attract more buyers. Always stay responsive to messages and queries to foster trust and encourage repeat business. One challenge with reselling AirPods Maxes in the US is a lack of local warehouses, so be prepared for international shipping times. But trust me, the 15-day shipping isn't a deal breaker. In fact, buying in bulk can lower your cost per unit, making each sale more profitable. Buying in bulk also means you won't face downtime while waiting for your next shipment. The great thing is that free shipping is included, and the vendor's excellent reviews speak volumes about the quality. I've encountered poor quality AirPods Maxes from other sellers, so finding a reliable source is crucial. Reselling AirPods Max can be a highly profitable venture if approached with the right strategy. By taking advantage of bulk buying, highlighting the key features of these high-quality replicas, and choosing the best platforms for selling, you can maximize your returns. Building a strong online presence, maintaining excellent customer service, and keeping meticulous records will further enhance your success. So put these insights into action and don't miss out on the opportunity to turn these reselling strategies into a productive business. If you have any questions or need further advice, feel free to drop a comment. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to hit that like button and also the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos like this one.